Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Seb and today I'm just going to show you how you can buy an NFT for Royale.fun from Magic Eden on the Solana blockchain, and also how you can mint an NFT. So let's dive straight into this very easy tutorial. Okay, so here we are at Royale.fun, their Twitter. Very easy. What we're going to do is just click on this link here, Royale.fun, and this will open up their webpage. Up here, as you can see, I have a little phantom wallet with a very small amount of Solana in it. If you don't have one of these, or if a friend you're trying to get into the space doesn't have one of these, I've got some tutorials on how to set this up. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to click on mint for free. We don't have many hours left, so if you do miss this minting window, then we will buy on Magic Eden shortly. So mint for free. Connect a Phantom. We can either use the Phantom or the Soulflare wallets. We cannot use Backpack, which is another popular wallet on the Solana blockchain, at least not yet. Then we need to connect our Discord, like so. Authorize, and just be aware that you may have difficulties with Discord if it's a new account. If it's a new account, then unfortunately you're just going to have to buy one normally. Now we want to mint your alien. It's just one per account. Very small amount of Solana. Gas fee. Approve. And in a very short time, in my little tutorial wallet, we will have a transaction going through. And we will have our NFT. All right, so I have this beautiful NFT here, and I still have a very small amount of Solana left. So now that we've minted, fantastic. Watch my other video with regards to the game plan from here. We see a feed here for Royale, who's minted, all that sort of stuff, all the different players. And stuff, but we'll cover that in another video. Now, let's go back here and buy on Magic Eden. So if you're deciding to buy some, maybe for yourself or friends or whatever, just remember what I'm about to say is my opinion, not financial advice. Go and connect our wallet, our Phantom wallet. You can buy with another wallet. It can be Backpack here. Verify the wallet. I guess, in terms of statistics, they all have the same, chance of winning. This one or this one. You may want to collect them all the different colors, because having all the colors will give you the collector role. So, which doesn't do anything for you, but it just means in Discord you have the role that says collector, which is kind of cool. And you may win, and you may win the $10,000 top prize. All right, so select what you're after. So just for the sake of it, I'm just going to get this one. Quick buy. And then approve. You can see it's a slightly larger amount of Solana compared to this. And that's just due to the fact that there would be a small royalty. And there's like a small transaction fee as well. So if we actually just work out what that costs, like exactly, 0.0222 Sol. So it's like 0.02224, something like that. So as you can see, it costs us about 52 cents. So if you wanted to help out some friends, onboard them into the space, this would be a fun way. You could send them $1 worth of Solana very easily, just by asking them to set up their wallet. If they don't have a wallet, that's fine. I've got a video on how to set up a wallet, and then just have 10 friends, onboard 10 friends, send them $1, and see if they want to go buy one of these, and maybe they win. When it comes to strategy, that's covered in a different video, which will be linked in the description. So that's that. That's how you buy an NFT for Royale.fun and how you mint one. If you manage to miss this because of whatever reason, maybe getting this video late or just being a new subscriber, then don't worry, just follow my socials and follow Royale.fun, and hopefully there'll be another one of these kind of events in the future. And if it's not from Royale.fun, it may be from another company, and I'll be sure to give you all the details, give you all the info. Thanks very much for following, thanks very much for having fun, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!